done with this project. From this to this to this to this to this to this. From this to this to this to this to this. From this to this to this to this to this. Everything is freshly silicone in here. Decent cut around the pan. Decent cut around the pan. That's all she wrote, folks. Silicone around there. Where the floor meets the vertical wall here. Around the tub. All the corners. Vertical corners, inside corners. All silicone in. So you never see any cracks. Silicone allows for the movement. There we go, guys. It's a 12 by 24s. About 25% offset approximately. Came out pretty good. Planks here, 6 by 24. So the drain, laundry room, whole thing is waterproof. So if I ever did flood out, to have at least, I mean, the water could come to here, then it's going to flood, but around here it can get wet and won't hurt the wood floor below it. The thing is pretty much bulletproof. 12 by 24 is in here, 10 by 20 is on the left and the right wall, same size on the back approximately, but has like a 3D kind of wave effect, real nice. All siliconed as well around the floor where it meets the tub, around the top of the tub. Vertical corners. Top will be caulked by the painter and paint, and you don't want to silicone the ceiling because silicone you can't paint, at least most types of silicone. So you want a regular acrylic caulk up there so you can paint it. And I am done with this project. I actually had the excavators come yesterday, move this whole pile here, got the forms ready for the concrete sidewalk, the driveway. As far as I'm concerned, I am done with this project. Whoever has this house, enjoy it. You got many years in this house.